Good evening and welcome to my channel. Hello dear student, how are you? Today I will give some tips about the strength of the solution. So, as you know, solution contains solvent and solute. How much solvent is dissolved with the solvent is the strength of the solution, or in other words we can say how much quantity of solute present in the solution is the strength of the solution. So solution is made of two components, solvent plus solute. Here if you see, strength of the solution is defined as the concentration of solute in the solution. It is defined in the following terms. How much solute is present in the solution is the concentration of the solution. It is defined in the following terms. Number first, gram per liter. Gram per liter means how much quantity of solute is present in solution in the terms of liter. Then number second, molarity. Number third, in the terms of molality. Number fourth, in the terms of normality. And last, in the terms of mole fraction. Here molarity is commonly noted as capital M, molality is known as small m, normality is written as capital M, and mole fraction is written as MF, mole fraction. So these are the common notation. So here we tell you about the molarity. How the strength of any solution is defined in the terms of molarity. So molarity is defined number of gram moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. It means, suppose this is the solution, contains solvent in the dissolved form, solvent plus solute. Solute in the dissolved form, solution, and total is called solution. So how much gram moles of solute are present in this solution is the normality of this solution. It is denoted by capital M. As I have told you here, we understood this thing by an example. Suppose 2.9 gram common salt is dissolved in 100 gram of water. What will be the molarity of the solution? So, suppose this is the water, 100 ml water, 100 ml water. Here 2.9 gram common salt, that is NaCl, is dissolved. So it becomes the solution of NaCl. It is called solution of NaCl. So let us see, common salt means sodium chloride. First we calculate the gram moles. For gram moles, we need the weight, molecular weight. So, molecular weight of NaCl, 23 plus 35 equal to 58. Number of gram moles of NaCl, we have to find out weight in gram divided by the molecular weight, 2.9 divided by 58 equal to 0.05. It means 2.9 gram of common salt is 0.05 moles present in 1 liter. So how much quantity of the solution? Here solvent is 100 ml. 100 gram, since density of the water is 1, density of water density is 1 gram per ml. Therefore, in case of water, 100 gram means 100 ml. So volume of the solution 100 ml divided by 1000, because we have to convert this volume in liter, so 0.1 liter. Now the solution is in liter 0.1 or gram moles of NaCl dissolved with 0.05. Therefore, molarity of the solution gram moles of solute divided by volume of the solution. This is very important. Volume of the solution. 0.1 to 0.05 divided by 0.1, that is 0.5. So the molarity will be 0.5 and it is written as 0.5 m solution. This is written as 0.05 m solution. It stands for molarity is 0.5. Similarly, we see another example. So I think you have understood what is the molarity and how it is defined. Just suppose 1 m NaOH solution is taken 100 ml and mixed with 500 or 900, suppose 900 ml water. What will be the molarity of the new solution? Molarity of the solution. Suppose this is the question. 100 ml of 0.1 m NaOH solution is taken and add 100 ml of water. Suppose this is a container. Here 100 ml NaOH of 1 m. 1 m for molarity is 1 is taken. Add water. Now 900 ml. What will be the molarity of? Now it will be 1 liter completely. Suppose this is the 1 liter. What will be the normality? So it is very simple. By adding the water, volume will increase, but the number of moles of NaCl will remain same. So 1 m NaOH means 1 gram mole of NaOH present in 1000 ml solution. So solution, now here solution 100 ml. So in 100 ml it will be 0.1. Therefore, gram moles of NaOH in 100 ml, 1/10. It is 1/10. So mole will be 0.1 mole. On adding water, moles of NaOH will remain same, that is 0.1 m. After adding new volume, 900 ml water is adding new volume. Originally 100 ml NaOH. Then added 900 ml water. Total volume 1000 ml. 900 plus 100, 100, and therefore molarity of the solution, number of moles of NaOH will remain same. So 0.1 divided by 1000 ml means 1 liter divided by 1. So it will be 0.1 or 0.1 m solution. So it is very simple. Molarity is the number of gram moles of solution. You convert the volume of the solution in liter and solute quantity in gram moles, then divided by the volume, you will get the molarity of the solution. So I think you have understood better. This is enough for today. In the next lecture, I will tell you about the molality of the solution. Till then, bye bye. Good night.